Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate gym membership and personal training via WhatsApp. So let's suppose I'm running a gym business and I'm collecting all my inquiries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I've completely automated this process and I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, with the help of this chatbot which I have created, whenever a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the inquiry which the user has sent to me. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the gym membership and personal training via WhatsApp. For this, I'm simply going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Here I have created this flow using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, "Hey, I want to view your gym plans." I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this message. "Hi, welcome to Perfect Gym. How can I assist you today?" So if I click on this view plans, it is going to send me some plans. And if I click on this book training, it is going to ask me a few questions. So if I open this list, it has sent me some plans. If I go with this monthly plan, I'm going to send this message. And it is going to send me, "Great choice. Here is your secure payment link for monthly plan of $50. And if I open this link, I will be redirected towards the payment page. And if I click on this book training, I'm going to receive the next message like, "Which training session would you like to book?" If I go with this cardio, it is going to ask me a few questions. Now, as soon as I answer these questions, you will see all the details will be automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. So I'm going to enter my name as, I'm going to send this message, let's wait for the reply. And here I have received this email address. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And here it is asking me the membership. So I want the membership of this $50. So I'm going to send that. And now I'm going to open my spreadsheet and check whether I have received all these details there or not. So your session is confirmed. See you at Perfect Gym. I'm going to open my Google Sheet spreadsheet. And here it is. We have added all the details. The name is this, email address is this. And then the membership was of $50. So this is how my flow is working, which I have created using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can automate the gym membership and personal training via WhatsApp. For this, we are going to create this WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. Now, before we sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. I can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now, if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp Connect. You can connect your WhatsApp number, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how it is done, then the video of this is available in the description. You can check this out. Now, on the left-hand side where you can see all these options, I have this inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. So we have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features. You can check out the link given in the description. Now we are going to create a chatbot, and for that we are going to create a flow like this. So to get this flow, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we are going to click on this flows and open this flows. Here I have landed towards the flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows and active flows. This one flow is active on some chart. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. Let's open this. Now here, as soon as I have added this flow, I have landed towards this page. But before creating this flow, let's name this to automate gym membership and personal training via WhatsApp. And now I'm going to enter this trigger. Here I have this trigger box. We have this trigger event. You can see all the events which I have. On the basis of these events only, my WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered or start sending the messages. We have this keyword regex match, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to list, custom field updated and the tags assigned. For now, I'm going to select it as keyword regex match and then I'm going to add the keyword in the regex. Now here, I'm going to enter the keyword like gym, membership, and on the basis of these keyword only, my chatbot is going to get triggered. Now, whenever users send me a message like, I want to see the membership of your gym, I want to see your gym, something like that, then with the help of these keywords, the chatbot is going to get triggered. But what if a user does not use these keywords? They just send me, hey, or they have the inquiry, and in that inquiry these keywords are not included, then this WhatsApp chatbot is not going to get triggered. Then we can use this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool which helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variables. I'm going to enter a pattern like. So while using this regex, we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same pattern. This particular pattern is going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot irrespective of whether the user message has these keywords or something like that. It is going to get triggered even on the messages which does not has the keyword. Now here I have entered the keyword. Now here I have entered the trigger. I have entered the keyword in the regex. Now if I open my WhatsApp, you can see I have sent the message and as soon as the chatbot got triggered, I received this message. So over here I have received this message, and how I did that, for that I'm going to go towards my flow. I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle and then select the content type. We can see the text button. This is the text button which I have used. I have sent the text and the buttons also as options. So this is the text button. If you want to send the image, video, audio document, you can use this media. If you want to send many options, you can use this list. We will be using this list in the same flow. So we will learn how we can create this list. If you want to send the single product, multi-product, you can use this. If you want to send the AI generated messages, you can use this. If you want to send the pre-designed message format, you can use this template. I'm going to select the content type as text button and then I'm going to enter the text like, hi, welcome to PowerFit Gym. How can I assist you today? And then I'm going to add the button. We can add only 3 buttons. So if you want to provide more options, you can simply click on this add content and then select the content type as list. So I'm going to add the 2 buttons like. So I have entered the 2 buttons, view plans and book training. Now in this view plan, I'm going to send them the entire list. So how I'm going to do this, on the left hand side, you can see this messages. I'm going to drag and drop this list and then I'm going to build the connection between this view plans and this list. Now over here in this body, I'm going to enter the description of the message. So if I open my WhatsApp, you can see that I have sent this message and if I click on this open list, I have these options. So to create this message, like this, here are a membership plan. I'm going to enter the body of the message like this and then I'm going to click on the add section. I have to give the section title, which is a required field. If I do not give the section title, then I will not be able to save this flow. So after adding the section title, I'm going to click on this add item, and with the help of this add item, I was able to create these options. So first one was monthly plan. So I'm going to open this. I'm going to enter the title as monthly plan, add the description as access to gym facilities, 1 free training, and then I'm going to click on this add item again and then click on this add item again. I'm going to add the title and add the description. In this manner, you can create multiple options with the help of this list. Now we have this one more option of book training. Now in this book training, I'm first going to give them the option, what type of training do you want? With the help of this text button itself, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to enter the message like, which training session would you like to book? I'm going to click on this add button. I'm going to provide the option like cardio, strength, yoga. Now, as soon as I provide these buttons, I'm going to ask them the question. So if the user click on any of the buttons, I'm going to ask them the question. Like if I open my WhatsApp, as soon as I have selected this, they have sent me the next message with a question. So I'm going to create the question. Now we have to create the question in such a manner that whenever the user answer these questions, their answers are getting saved in my Google Sheet spreadsheet, like I've shown you in the real time. So to do this, what we are going to do, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I'm going to click on the actions. We have this condition ask address. So with the help of these buttons, I will be able to fetch the details from the user. We can set the condition, ask their address, location, questions. We can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add the tag to the user. We can send these details with the help of this API request to another CRM or the Google Sheet spreadsheet. Then we can use the single AI message, assign AI assistant. We can create the AI assistant and assign that AI assistant to this chatbot or a flow. Then we can delay some messages to be sent later. Then we can connect one flow to another flow. Now over here, I am going to click on this questions. I'm going to drag and drop this ask question and build connection of all these circles with this circle. And then I'm going to add my question like, please share your details to confirm your booking. And then I'm going to ask the full name first. So in this full name, I'm going to select the custom field as full name, which I have already created. And then I'm going to select the format as text. Now in this manner, I'm going to create all the questions. Like first, I'm going to ask the name. Second, I'm going to ask them the email address. And third, I'm going to ask them the membership. You see that as I have asked the question, I have selected the contact custom field and the format, which is very important. So if you do not select these details, the flow will not move forward. So over here, first you ask the question and then you select the contact custom field, then you select the format. Now we have to create the contact custom field separately for all the questions which we are asking, so that whenever the user send these details to me, their answer gets saved in the contact custom field. So we are going to create the contact custom field, but before that, please make sure that you save your flow. So before opening any other feature in the similar tab, please make sure that you save your flow. If you do not do that, your flow will be lost. So here I have saved this flow. Now on the left hand side where I can see all these options, so I'm going to go towards the settings and then click on this contact custom field. I'm going to open this contact custom field in a new tab. Here I have landed towards this contact custom fields. You can see all the contact custom fields I've created. To create a new field, you simply have to click on add more field and then you have to name that field and then you have to save that. Now after that you save this, over here you can see this, click here to copy the field name. What you can do, you can simply copy this. So contact custom field, copy to clipboard and paste that to your message. So for now, just for the demo purpose, I'm showing you how it appears. So this is appearing like $car model. I have copied this particular field. Now this particular thing is going to create a custom or a personalized message. This dollar is going to replace all the new responses which I'm going to receive like this. So over here, this is how you can also create the custom message or the personalized message using this contact custom field, and also that you can send the details. So whenever you create these fields, all the answers get saved in these contact custom field and then you can send this data to your spreadsheet. So I'm going to first complete this entire flow and then we are going to quickly learn how we can send all this data to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. So let me complete this flow quickly. So here I have completed the entire flow. I have completed this list. Then I have sent them the payment link for the first option. You can create the payment link in the similar manner for the rest of the options. And then also you can send a reminder or something like that message. Then we were here. I have created one question. I have asked them the name, select the contact custom field and the format. After that, in a very similar manner, I have asked them the email address, created the contact custom field for email address and selected the format as email. After that, I have asked them the membership, selected the contact custom field and the format, and then with the help of this API request, I have sent all this data to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now here, what I have done, I have clicked on this actions, click on this API request, and then I've created this connection between this circle and this circle. So if I click on this field, this box has appeared in front of me and I'm going to select the request as post. I have selected the request as post and then I have to enter the webhook URL over here. Now to get this webhook URL, what we have to do, we simply have to open our Pabbly Connect new workflow. For that, I'm going to go towards this all apps again and then click on this Pabbly Connect. We have to select our workflow builder from the dashboard. So I'm going to click on this create workflow, select the workflow builder, and then I'm going to click on this create, and then you will see the box will appear in front of me where I need to enter the trigger application. And in this trigger application, we are going to search for webbook by Pabbly, and after searching that we will be provided, and in this trigger event I'm going to select it as catch webbook preferred and then click on this connect. We are provided the webbook URL which we are going to copy and simply paste that over here, and then we are going to provide the key and the value. Now I am asking 3 questions: name, email and membership. So we are going to create name, email and then membership, and then select the particular contact custom field which we have assigned to these keys. For the name we have selected full name, for the email we have selected email, for the membership we have selected answer. So we are going to select that, and then we simply need to click on this test. The test data will be sent to this workflow, and then we can map that data to the Google Sheet spreadsheet. So here I have already created a workflow. I have received the test data, and then with the help of this test data I have mapped the response in my Google Sheet spreadsheet like this. So here, after doing all this, please make sure that you save this. If you do not save this, the messages won't be sent to your Google Sheet spreadsheet. So here I have added this API request like this. If I open this, so this is how I have created this: name, email, membership, full name, email, answer. And then I've clicked on the send, and then I've saved this. Finally, I have built the connection between this circle and this circle and send the message: your session is confirmed, see you at the Power Gym. So this is how we have created this entire chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now please make sure that you keep this active. If you do not keep this active, the messages won't be sent, and that you save this. If you do not save this, the messages will be lost. So here we have successfully created this chatbot. We have entered the keyword and the regex. We have sent the first message, after which we provided 2 buttons in which we have added 2 options. One was for the plans, second one for the book session. And then I've asked some questions, send these questions to the Google Sheet spreadsheet, and finally send the thank you or the confirmation message. So you can extend this flow in the very similar manner, like you can create more buttons if you want, or you can add more questions if you want. We are going to test this once again for the last time and see whether it is working fine or not. I want to book gym session. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. If I click on this view plans, it is going to send me the next message. And if I click on this book training, it is going to send me the next message. So this chatbot is completely working fine. And this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot. Now you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video below. I have attached the link of this flow in the description so that you can check this out. And I hope you like this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.